Hey everyone, I'm back to do another little video. So, got the bike done. I think, there might be a couple little tweaks that I need to do to it. Got the back tire in today. It's almost twice the thickness and definitely way more stronger. That thing is built. Yeah, that should last. Let's see. Gotta put on a kickstand. It doesn't really need one because it rests on the pegs. But shoot, I figured I'll just go ahead and put it on anyhow. Also, put on the steering stabilizer. Got that pretty much done up. It's done pretty good. No complaints, so got that done. Still waiting on the camera mount. Well, the cell phone mount, not camera mount. Well, I guess I could use it for a camera too, but I don't really like doing it like that because all you see is what's in front. You don't see any of this or any of that. I use the GoPro. Actually, I really need to dust off that helmet. It's been a while since I've gone out and did a real good ride. Let's see. I adjusted everything a bit. Should work pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a cold start. It should fire up. Well, I'm hoping, that'll fire up right away within the first 1 to 3 tries, but I don't know. So I'm going to set camera right here. Let me go ahead and adjust this down a little bit. There we go. I think that'll do. Alright, so as you see, it sits low. It sits like crazy low. But it's got this incredibly nice feel. You know, I like it. I really do. The pegs back here, they're pretty good. It's got a nice balance to it. So, anyhow. Let's see. Put on the choke. Now I'm only going to start this. Once it starts, I'll rev it a little bit and then shut it down because it's kind of been closed here. I'll have to open up the door and let it air out. So here we go. Oh, you know what? Just so you guys know, it always helps to turn on the fuel. Okay. There we go. Yeah, this thing wants to take off. It's ready. It's ready to rip. You see that thing just, yeah, it's good. I like it. I don't have to use my foot, for the kickstand. I just reach down and and there we go. So there we are. That was a cold start. Started right up. Not bad. Not bad at all. So wanted to show you guys, and thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you all later.